QR67.
We're on QR67.
787-9.
787-9.
Business class.
Business class.
Qatar Airways.
Qatar Airways.
They're very specific that they call these premium business suites. So they might be confused with the Qsuites, but they are not the Qsuites. But very nice that you have a full closure on the aisle so you can be completely closed into your pod.
Agreement, yes. That is our agreement.
It means only one person.
Oh, both have to press the buttons at the same time in order for the divider to go down.
Also, this flight is shockingly affordable. If you want to know what the price is, you gotta watch our last video. We give all the details. So as you get on the plane, you'll see that you have a very spacious seat. Again, I'm pretty small, so I fit in there just fine. However, the footwell is a little on the small end. If you're gonna wanna lay on your side, it's not as comfortable. And you'll see that you have a water waiting at your station. You have 2 pillows, a comforter, a blanket, your amenity kit. So it's pretty stacked. You're not really missing anything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate it more than you know. So these aren't the full Qsuites that you see on the 777 or the 350, but very similar. You're just angled at like a different. So like Qsuites, the middle thing goes all the way down and then you have a twin bed setup. This one, it goes all the way down and it's kind of like a twin bed setup, but you guys are like this. So just your heads are together. So it's still really cool, but it's not quite the Qsuites. The layout is forward facing 1-to-1 configuration with sliding privacy doors. With direct aisle access for every passenger, which I think it was on Singapore, when you don't have direct aisle access and if you're in the middle, it is so awkward. One, you have to be like 120 pounds maximum to fit through that skinny little aisle. I mean, even I was like, get skinny to get through. It was pretty wild, so I don't know what anybody else is doing. So anyways, that was a long story for no point, but it's nice to have aisle access for every seat. You hit your Arabic coffee, which is served with the date. Again, I think it tastes like dirt, but I get it every time because I want to feel like I'm experiencing the culture. And then you can get any other drink that you want. So you got to get their signature drink, which we always do. Pretty sure it's all sugar, but delicious.
Cheers. Lemon and mint, your welcome beverage. Wonderful.
And then the menu is extensive.
You see the light meals? You can get a beef burger.
Beef burger.
They have a huge alcohol list along with non-alcoholic drinks. They've got some mocktails on there. You can order at any time. They'll start meal service right after takeoff. However, if you're wanting to wait, you can let them know that. They bring a hot towel prior to service, cleanse their hands, and then do the full spread with the candle. It's just so elegant. It makes you feel so special. And the food was so much better on this trip.
My steak was overcooked.
Well, mine is way better.
It's always good. Qatar's food, always good. Whether it's economy, first class, business, we have no complaints. However, for some reason, from Doha to Frankfurt, the food was exceptional. They do come around and make up your bed
With the cushion and the seat covers and everything, and which is super sweet, and we appreciate that. We're just being really lazy, so we're like, it's cool.
Yeah, we only have about 3.5 hours on the flight left, so
we'll just take
we want to get a couple hour nap and then have a snack before landing.
We were a little tired, so we just want to get to it and get some sleep in. So we just kind of threw ours together, but they will come around and make it up for you.
I don't remember wobbling like that.
Oh, it was a wobble.
These are kind of my favorite comfort-wise and noise cancel-wise.
Oryx 1.
Yeah. What?
The IFE worked fantastic. Again, you have the outlets and the tuner for your IFE, so you can lie down the entire time and not have to get up at all. And so the outlets, you do have a USB-C, and then you have the 2-prong outlet. On the previous flight, I actually had trouble finding the outlet because it was kind of hidden. However, on this one, it's plain sight, won't miss it. There is a good amount of storage on this as well, not as much as on the 777-87. Did I get all those numbers right? So not as much like random little cubby holder storage space, but still plenty of space. The amenity kit, it's diptyque.
So in the male amenity kit, we have the lip balm, face cream, fresh lotion, Felicicos diptyque scent, it is Violet, and some socks, and a nice bag.
All of your essentials are in there. Not my favorite scent, I've decided, but it's still good. Still amazing to get all of those things on a flight. On to the bathroom. The bathroom was incredibly well kept. Again, I keep referring to the last flight just because we're kind of comparing the two and the two legs of our journey to Frankfurt. And this bathroom was well stocked. The other one was fine, but everything was kind of running low. The lotion, the spray of diptyque. This bathroom altogether felt cleaner. So that was really interesting. Really appreciate that. They, like the last flight, they do come in after each visit to the loo and clean it after you. And there's snacks in the back. So we've got fruit, fruit, and then some like chips and other stuff like that. Getting some turbulence. Check back in when the meal comes.
Qsuites, please.
It's like Qsuite Light. That's what it's been described.
Did you say Qsuite Light?
Yeah.
These are way better pajamas too than yesterday. They're like softer, put a ribbon on more. And then also, I like the joggers. So.
Yeah. I'm gonna look at my menu and then choose my selection.
Please leave the airport in matching pajamas with me. Please.
Yeah. Tay and I were just commenting that they switch up the hummus, the meze platter, the hummus, and the lebna, and the mahamahara. They switch up the meze platter so that you kind of get different selections of hummus, lebna, tahini, mahamara. Like you get just different kinds, like different flavors. Like today it's pesto and avocado, beetroot. It's crazy. Yesterday's was pretty good, but not great. This one is phenomenal.
The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how.
So we're just about to land, and we wanted to do a quick wrap up and just give our feelings in the flight.
Yeah, and then as far as like overall, I think our product is excellent. Wasn't the Qsuites like we talked about, but still a great option. Always the best. I think Middle Eastern carriers are, in my opinion, up there with the best of them.
It is showing its age a little bit. Like she couldn't get my door open. It was like getting stuck. So it definitely shows its age a little bit, but it's still, and we do like the other seats better. What was the last flight we were just on?
It was 787-8.
Yeah, so you'll see that in the beginning, and I preferred that seat. It seemed more spacious.
Yeah.
Just the configuration I liked overall better. However, this one was still very comfortable. So still highly recommend Qatar.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong. The service was a little off today. They seemed a little annoyed. My lady did. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean just moments of it. I mean, it was kind of like hit or miss. I mean, it's just one of those days.
The purser was super sweet, super helpful. 10 out of 10 on him. Just the other ones were quality. The food was way better than our last flight. It was a different variety or different options, and they really nailed it. So that was great. Bathrooms were clean the entire time. There was always the toilet paper folded and the toilet seat on, and very, very clean. So always appreciate that. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Leave them in the comment section below. We love making these videos. Well, most of the time we love making them. Sometimes we're tired and cranky, but we feel so lucky that we get to do what we do. So we'll keep bringing you this. Anything else you'd like to see, or if we missed anything, let us know. We always appreciate the feedback. Until next time, stay curious. Love you guys.
What?
You got the white knuckles holding on the top, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision.